As shown on the screen, place the workpiece. Turn the clamped. The fixture clamps the workpiece. As shown on the screen, connect the wire terminal. Click to enter calibration interface. Turn off the safety cover. As prompted by the system interface, click Start. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. After the measurement data is stable, click OK. The workpiece stops running and the system stops measuring. Turn on the safety cover. Find the lean degree of the workpiece. Add the calibration mass to the lean degrees of the workpiece. Turn off the safety cover. Enter the weight of the mass and the loading angle to the electronic measuring system. The weight of the calibration mass should be weighed in advance. Click Start. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. After the measurement data is stable, click OK. Calibration completed. Workpiece stops running. Remove the calibration mass.